What is up, my dudes, and that one girl who didn't enter, who's gonna pretend that she didn't know, and she's gonna be like, oh no, I wish I knew about this contest so I could have tried to win. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. You ring the bell, you'll know when that happens. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Cardo communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders riding gear? Then you should check my referral links down below. Want to support me in all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Bam! Then you should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, this video kind of explains it, but down next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a video explaining what I do with your money. Get it, got it, good, cool, let's move on. Alright guys, so today is the big day. We are doing the Cardo Packtalk Edge giveaway, and once again I just want to give a huge shout out to Cardo because they have been such an awesome support to this channel. They have done nothing but awesomeness by me, and I am so happy to be an affiliate of them because their products are great. They are great. I love working with them. I have had to deal with Cardo through customer service, them not knowing that I am an affiliate. I've reached out to them before, and they have treated me just as good as if I was reaching out to the guy who takes care of me through my affiliate stuff. They are a great company. And anytime I mention Cardo on this channel or anything like that, I get tons of feedback from people saying that they absolutely love Cardo. They've told me that they've made the switch to Cardo and they absolutely love the product versus whatever communicator they came from. So just overall, great stuff, and I am so looking forward to giving this away to one lucky winner. When it comes to the lucky winner, we had a pretty good turnout. Like seriously, I can safely say I raised well past what a Cardo Edge is worth. So these come in just about $390. I think I raised about $500 for people that were entering to win this contest. So that is awesome. That is so fantastic. And again, all of that money, 100% of profits raised are going to the toy drive. Again, I have no employees. I'm not taking a cut. I'm putting money into the pot. Like, this is just a straight up toy drive, and I am so excited to do this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pick a winner. And honestly, I can't tell you how much I love this Lazy Susan. I get way too much use out of this, for real. Yeah, let me see if I can get this running from spin. There we go. Volume, you know. Dude, who won? Let's take a look. Gym Monster. So this is a dude at my gym who actually like got out of his truck one morning, handed me $100, and he's like, let's do this. So yeah, I guess I'll be presenting him this at the gym tomorrow. I will post a pic on Instagram with me, him, and all his new stuff. Guys, again, thank you so much for entering to win this, and there are other contests coming up. So right now there's one running. Check my videos down below, you'll definitely see it. I'll try and put it at the tail end of this one, and keep an eye out this coming week because I've got one more really big giveaway that I am really excited to show you guys. So yeah, congratulations to the Gym Monster. Name withheld because I forgot to check if he wanted me to include it. And thank you guys once again. This has just been a great year. And honestly, check out the GoFundMe link down below. You don't have to enter the contest. You could just give money out of the kindness of your heart. It is going to a good cause, and I am so looking forward to doing that toy shopping spree this year and delivering all the toys and stuff. It's always like the most fun out of all this. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that dude you know who's like, I really want to win something. There are more chances. Come check it out. And I will see you all on the flip side.